What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best line-out converter on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is NVX LC2 X Series 2-channel line-out converter. The NVX LC2 X Series 2-channel line-out converter improves car audio quality by converting high-level speaker signals into low-level RCA signals. This allows better connection with aftermarket amplifiers. With the ability to manage speaker-level inputs up to 400 watts root mean square, it works smoothly with many different audio systems in vehicles. This product includes X-Boost technology, which enhances the bass in your system. It helps deliver deep, rich, and powerful low sounds without causing distortion. This makes it easier to enjoy full, clear sound during every drive. The converter has a selectable auto-on feature, making it efficient by turning on only when the vehicle is in use. This helps conserve battery energy and reduces unnecessary power usage. It also comes with a remote level control that allows drivers to manage bass directly from the front seat. This gives users more freedom to adjust audio levels while driving, without having to access the main unit. Designed by NVX, this product includes a 9.5 volts pre-out and a 12 volts trigger out. It supports dual amplifier outputs, which makes it suitable for advanced car audio setups. Its surface mount design helps with easy and clean installation in most vehicles. Whether connecting multiple amplifiers or looking for better bass control, this converter fits well in modern car audio systems. NVX created a device that offers improved sound output with flexible connection choices. In our list, the number 4 product name is AudioControl LC5 iPro 5 channel line-out converter. The AudioControl LC5 iPro 5-channel line-out converter helps improve car sound systems by delivering clear and detailed audio. It works with different setups, making it easy to connect aftermarket amplifiers while keeping the factory unit in place. This converter includes technology that keeps the lower tones strong, even when the music volume is turned down. That means listeners can still enjoy full and deep audio without losing quality at softer levels. It is designed to work smoothly with many car models, helping users upgrade their sound without changing the entire system. This approach avoids complicated installations and supports original vehicle parts while improving sound clarity. A remote controller comes with this model, allowing drivers to manage volume and sound settings from the dashboard. This makes it easier to adjust audio levels without distractions or reaching for equipment during travel. It operates using a 12 volts power supply and supports ground mount installation. This allows flexible setup in different car layouts, saving space and fitting cleanly into available areas. Multiple trigger modes help during installation. Options include signal sensing and standard 12 volts input, making it easy for professionals to complete the setup quickly and correctly. Made by AudioControl, this converter matches well with a wide range of amplifiers and sound equipment. It supports improved audio delivery for those who want better performance without changing their whole system. The unit also supports strong integration, keeping everything balanced while adding more control and deeper bass. Its design helps meet modern audio demands with reliable results. In our list, the number 3 product name is Skar Audio SK2 LC2 Channel Active Line Output Converter. The Skar Audio SK2 LC2 Channel Active Line Output Converter is built to enhance sound system performance in vehicles. It helps transform speaker-level signals into low-level connections for use with external amplifiers, supporting better sound without removing the original head unit. This unit accepts input and output voltages of 12 volts, making it compatible with standard vehicle electrical systems. It is designed with Type RCA and Type speaker wire plug formats, making it suitable for different connection setups. With a compact size of 7 by 3 by 1 inches, it fits easily into limited spaces during installation. The model operates at a steady 13.8 volts direct current and responds to sound frequencies between 21 Hz and 30 kHz, helping deliver both strong bass and clear treble. It supports clear signal processing, which helps produce smoother audio transitions across all ranges. Control options are fully adjustable for both bass and main channels, giving users greater flexibility when setting their preferred audio levels. It allows more customized sound without losing quality or detail. Multiple signal sensing choices are available, including audio sense, direct current offset, and a standard 12 volts remote option. This provides convenient turn-on flexibility for a wide variety of car setups. It also comes with a remote level controller and wire, giving users quick access to audio adjustments without accessing the main equipment. Manufactured by Skar Audio, this converter helps build stronger audio systems by offering reliable signal transfer, improved tuning capability, and better integration into factory or aftermarket systems. In our list, the number 2 product name is AudioControl LC2 Channel Lineout Converter. The AudioControl LC2 Channel Lineout Converter helps improve car sound systems by taking signals from factory speakers and sending them to aftermarket amplifiers. It supports up to 400 watt signals per channel, giving strong input capacity without needing to replace the original head unit. This model works with stereo sound and uses RCA connections for clean signal transfer. It connects easily with different types of audio equipment, including processors and amplifiers, giving more flexibility for custom setups. Bass response is managed through a built-in process that helps correct low-frequency drop. This makes the sound fuller and keeps the bass clear even at lower volume levels. It allows for balanced output without losing tone depth across different music types. The converter includes both fixed and adjustable outputs, each with its own control. This makes it easier to fine-tune sound levels based on amplifier settings and speaker performance. These adjustments help create a balanced audio environment inside the vehicle. The design is compact, so it fits into small spaces during installation. This allows installers to place it in areas with limited room while still maintaining access to essential controls. An optional connection is available for a remote level adjustment tool. This offers the option to manage sound levels directly from the front seat, helping drivers make changes without reaching for the main unit. Manufactured by AudioControl, this unit is designed to work with both factory and aftermarket equipment. It improves sound quality and allows deeper integration between existing systems and added components. Its design and function support clear sound while giving users more control over their in-car audio experience. In our list, the number 1 product name is NVX 2 Inputs/2 Outputs High Voltage Active Converter. The NVX XLOC22X2 input and 2 output active line output converter is made to support high-voltage speaker systems by matching signal levels between factory equipment and aftermarket amplifiers. It helps improve sound without needing to remove the original audio components. This unit supports signals up to 40 volts, which equals 400 watts root mean square, making it suitable for strong factory systems. It converts speaker-level signals into RCA outputs, offering better sound control and cleaner signal transfer. With up to 9.5 volts of output, it provides enough signal strength to drive connected amplifiers more efficiently, helping improve clarity across the audio range. A load selection switch gives 3 resistance choices, including 20 ohms, 60 ohms, and 20,000 ohms. This feature helps match system requirements, reducing unwanted noise and supporting smoother operation across different setups. Automatic power on is available through either direct current offset or sound signal detection. This allows the converter to turn on without a remote wire, which simplifies installation and improves compatibility with more vehicles. The unit uses a freestanding mounting design, making it easier to place during setup without requiring a fixed panel. This gives installers more options for positioning the device in tighter areas within the vehicle. Built by NVX, this model supports both performance and flexibility in car audio projects. Its voltage handling, clean signal transfer, and adjustable load settings make it useful for systems that require solid integration between factory units and upgraded amplifiers. The combination of high-level input and powerful output helps produce better sound while working within the limits of modern vehicle designs.